everyone, you're watching Shalin's Academy and this is Shalin Sachan, and today I have brought a new topic, very interesting topic, that is called environmental changes, and you're going to learn a lot more about your eco-friendly environment. So let's get started. So first we should know the meaning of weather and the climate. Weather is defined as a condition of a place over a short period of time, and climate refers to the weather pattern of a place over a long period of time. So now you are clear with the difference between weather and the climate? Let's learn its definition. Weather is a state of atmosphere at a specific time and place. Weather is the result of heat from the sun and earth's air and water. So this is the definition of weather and you must learn it by your heart. Okay? If you are unable to learn this long definition, you can learn this short definition also. The atmospheric condition at a specific time and place, like raining and cold, is called weather. Now let's talk about the climate. Climate is the average weather over a period of time. It takes many years to decide the climate of any place. But if we talk about weather, the state of atmosphere around us, it changes every day. So weather is fluctuating every day, means it is not constant. But climate is a constant thing. It takes years to decide the climate of any particular place. Let us know about the greenhouse farming. Countries with the cold climate receive less heat from the sun, and this hampers the growth of the plants and vegetables. That's why arrangements are made so that the heat from the sun can accumulate inside this area. The roof is either covered with the glass or a cloth to allow the sun rays to penetrate, and the heat should be inside the building, and this practice is known as greenhouse farming. Most of the students are confused with the two terms, that is greenhouse farming and greenhouse effect. Both are different things, students. You should understand the basic term of these. So let's understand the greenhouse effect. That is the other name of global warming. In locality we call it as greenhouse effect, but in global level we call it as global warming. Warmer atmosphere and oceans, rising sea level, then changing the rainfall patterns, then expansion of desert in the subtropicals, more flooding in the coastal areas, melting of polar ice caps, melting of glaciers, more extreme weather events, ocean acidification, extinction of animal and plant species, food security is a threat for the humans. These are the effect of global warming. So let us understand what is the meaning of global warming. A gradual increase in earth temperature caused by the high level of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. दैट मीन्स ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस का जो अमाउंट है वो बढ़ता चला जा रहा है. दैट्स वाई इट लीड्स टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. Let's read some news from the newspaper. Average increase of 5 degrees Celsius in the temperature in the Western Europe, and heat is experienced there. 14 degrees Celsius temperature in Darjeeling reaches to maximum 28 degree Celsius in 2009. That is a hilarious thing because Darjeeling is a hill station. It can't have the temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. Snowfall in desert. Whoa. Now can you see the greenhouse effect? That snowfall is there in the desert. Rainfall is not happening, but snowfall is happening in the desert. Mumbai received 942 ml rain in one day. Increasing temperature in Australia. Sundarban is submerging. Then reduction of 5 kilometers in Khumbu Snow River of Nepal. Ice cap of size 3250 square kilometer melts within 35 days. What a great speed. And this is the ill effect of global warming. So students, the one and only solution for this is grow more and more plants. That's a request from my side. Now let's overlook the place and thing which exaggerate or which gives the greenhouse gases. If we use a thermal power station, that means yearly it gives 9 lakh ton greenhouse gases. If we use motor car, yearly it give 17 crore 10 greenhouse gases. If we use AC just for 2 hours and 24 hours के हिसाब से 2230. If you use TV 24 hours ले तो 190 kilogram greenhouse gases are coming from it. If you use tube light, that is 88 kilogram. Then computers, then 130. If you use freezers, then 920 kilogram in 24 hours only. Just imagine the yearly amount from these machines. They are life threatening. And these are some climate changes like rising of sea level. We have a lot of losses, temperature is increasing, drought is coming, famine is coming, people are dying with the diseases, animals are extincting, and then worse of that forest fire is there, then storms are coming, desert may snowfall is there, and these are the climate change. It's a high time to please save our life by saving the trees. Let's move forward with the global warming. More clear concept. We have this clip. The global warming is increase in the average temperature of Earth's near surface air and oceans. Then evidence for the warming of climate in system includes and observed in global average air and ocean temperature. यानी हम कैसे मतलब मेजर करते हैं ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को ओशंस के टेम्परेचर को देखकर, melting of snow and ice, then rising of global average sea level. अब sea level क्यों इतना बढ़ रहा है? Because the ice is melting up, the glaciers are melting up. The where the water will go, it will increase the liquidity of the rivers. Rivers को increase कर देगा. The flood will come. There will destruction to the human. Means घुमा फिरा के if we are destroying the nature, it's a time for the nature that they are destroying us. Let's have a clear concept of greenhouse effect. What is happening exactly? Actually, there is a small layer of ozone. It will protect the three rays which is coming from the sun, that is visible, infrared and UV. And the work of ozone was to just to remove all the ultraviolet rays coming towards the earth. But now there is a hole over the ozone layer. So what is happening? The ultraviolet is also coming inside the earth, and that increases the level of temperature inside the earth. Okay, so one thing that can you can say protect and just reconstruct the layer of ozone is just to have the greenery around the earth. Let's talk about the chlorofluorocarbon. This is a chemical that cause ozone depletion. I told you ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस थे जो ओजोन लेयर को कट कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज हमारे अर्थ के अंदर आ पा रही है. ओके, सो दिस इज द हार्मफुल गैस that it is damaging our ozone layer, so we should protect it. And from, do you know from where it is coming? It is coming by the use of using perfumes, then using refrigerators. Have you seen that if you open the freezer, then some cool air is coming, and that is nothing else, is chlorofluorocarbon. The foam we use for shaving creams. Okay, then we have sprays, party sprays. It is also made up of chlorofluorocarbon. If you use AC, then also chlorofluorocarbon is coming. Let's talk about what we can do to stop the global warming. The first is reuse the plastic shopping bags, then recycle the glasses, jars, the newspapers, tin and cans. Try having a compact help in your yard. Means you should have a that composite help, that you know that some garbage are there, the scrap of vegetables, then fruit skin, you can make the fertilizer from them. Use both side of the paper while writing. Some people are writing one side of the page and then skip the other side. It's a waste of trees and their leaves. Suggest that your parents buy a fuel smart car. That means you should advise that Papa, don't buy this that diesel and petroleum, use that CNG car, then use the hydraulic car. Okay, Then plant the trees. It's the only alternative, the best alternative to stop the global warming. Don't keep the TV or USB or DVD or VCR on standby. Means if you're not using, just close it up. Keep the lights off when it is not in use. Consider public transport, means that you know that pooling. अगर आप लोग को किसी सेम ऑफिस में जाना है तो आप लोग को 4 कार लेकर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हैव पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. Insulate your home, that means cover your home with the cloth or plastic fiber that will protect you from the heat, cold and rain. Then use bike instead of car because it consumes lots of diesel and petrol. Then wash clothes in cold or warm, not in hot water, because again if you will then boil the water, it will consume more LPG. So just wash your clothes with the cold or warm water. Okay, so let's talk about the new topic, the global policy to protect environment. On realizing the human activities are the root cause of destruction of environment, the countries of the world are gathered at Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, in 1972, to think what are the ways to just protect the environment. Other convention was held at Rio de Janeiro at Brazil. In the meeting held at Copenhagen, that was the capital city of Denmark, in the year 2009. And here it was a discussion of global warming. It was observed that developed nations are not accepting the carbon cut technique, and the developing nations were increasing the pressure for reducing the greenhouse gases. And it was decided to give in help of $100 billion for development of developing nations. In the meeting, 559 research papers from 45 countries were presented, and by this, the leaders of the world are forced to think seriously about this topic and changing climate. On the average, a citizen in the world emit 4.5 metric tons of carbon dioxide. India's citizens emit 1.2 metric carbon dioxide, and other developing nation releases far lesser carbon dioxide gases. Large amount of concession should be given for development, and for more restrictions should be imposed. Like countries like USA, an average American emits 20.6 metric ton carbon dioxide. That means the highest carbon dioxide is emitted in the countries like USA. So it must think about the reduction of carbon dioxide. सो स्टूडेंट, कैसा लगा ये वीडियो? कमेंट मी ऑन माई कमेंट बॉक्स, लाइक इट, सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर इट टू all your friends because it's really a very informative videos, and just keep supporting.